Now we are starting our new topic, that is hero's formula. Here we know the formula to find the area of a triangle. If the base and the height of the triangle is given, and that is area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. But if height is not given and only 3 sides of the triangle are given, instead of height only 3 sides are given, means length of 3 sides of the triangle are given, then the area of the triangle can be found with the help of the formula, and that is known as hero's formula. In this formula, we must know the semi perimeter. S, that is S denotes for or indicates the semi perimeter of the triangle, and semi perimeter can be find out. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, where A, B and C are the length of the 3 sides of the triangle. And then we can substitute these values, means semi perimeter and the sides of the triangle, in the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to under root S into bracket S minus A into another bracket S minus B into third bracket S minus A. Here hero's formula, area of triangle is equal to S into bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Means if height of the triangle is not known, but length of the 3 sides of the triangle are given, then we can find this area of the triangle with the help of hero's formula. Here S is the semi perimeter, and S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. And now we will find the areas of the triangle in the given examples. So first example is the perimeter of a triangular field is 450 meter and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of the triangle. Here the length of the sides of the triangle are not given directly. Here the sides are given in the ratio, and the ratio of the 3 sides is 13:12:5. So here we will solve this example. Let A, B and C be the sides of the triangle, and therefore we can write A as to B as to C is equal to 13:12:5. Now if the ratios are given, then we must know the common multiple, and the common multiple is x. So let x be the common multiple of the ratio. Then A is equal to 13x, means length of A, side A is 13x, length of the another side B is equal to 12x and length of C is 5x. Now we know the perimeter, that is perimeter is the sum of all the three sides of the triangle, and therefore perimeter of the triangle, it is given, it is 450 meter, and therefore 13x plus 12x plus 5x is equal to 450, and therefore the sum of all the x, it will be 30x is equal to 450. Here 30 will divide on the another side, so x is equal to 450 divided by 30, and therefore x is equal to 15. Here we have find the value of the common multiple x, and now we can find the values of the three sides, that is a is equal to, it is given 13x, that is 13 into 15, and that is equal to 195. B is 12x, so B is equal to 12 into 15, it will be 180 meter. Then C is equal to 5x, so 5 into 15, it will be 75 meter. Now we know that semi perimeter is equal to perimeter upon 2, and it will be 450 upon 2. We will get the value 225, and therefore by applying Hero's formula we can find area of triangle is equal to under root s into first bracket s minus a into second bracket s minus b into third bracket s minus c. Now s is 225, so 225 into bracket 225 minus a is 195, then s minus b is 225 minus b is 180, then s minus c is 225 minus 75. Here 225 as it is, 225 minus 195 we will get 30, 225 minus 180 it will be 45, 225 minus 75 it will be 150. And now here 225 means square root of 225 is 50. Here 13 I have written as it is. 45 can be written as 9 into 5, because one factor 9 we can find the square root of 9. Then 150 can be written as 30 into 5. Here 2 times 30 means we write 13 one time, so 15 into 30 into square root of 9 is 3, and 5 5 are 25, square root of 25 is 5. In this way, if we multiply, then we will get the value 6750 meter square, and therefore area of the triangle is equal to 6750 meter square. So we have find the area of the triangle by applying Hero's formula, where the sides of the triangle are known. Now we will see the second example here, that in this example the lengths of the side of a triangle are 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. Then find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the side whose length is 13 cm. Now if we consider the triangle ABC here, and the length of BC is 13, then the vertex, the perpendicular means here it is the length of the perpendicular we have to find. Here perpendicular from vertex A to the side BC is drawn. Let it be P. The length AB is 5 5 centimeter, length AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and now we have to find first of all the area of the triangle, and then we will find the value of the perpendicular. Here let A is equal to 13 centimeter. A is equal to 13 centimeter. Side B is equal to 12 centimeter. Side C is equal to 5 centimeter, and therefore semi perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and that is equal to 13 plus 12 plus 5 divided by 2, and that is equal to 30 upon 2. Means semi perimeter S is equal to 15. 30 upon 2 means 15. Now by Hero's formula, means Hero's formula, area of the triangle is equal to under root S into first bracket S minus A into second bracket S minus B into third bracket S minus C, and that is equal to under root S is 15. So into first bracket S minus A means 15 minus 13 into second bracket S minus B, that is equal to 15 minus 12, and in the third bracket S minus C, that is 15 minus 5. Here 15 as it is, 15 minus 13 is 2, 15 minus 12 is 3, and 15 minus 5 is 10. After factorization of the above value and taking the square root, we will get the value 3 into 5 into 2, that is equal to 30 centimeter, and which is the area of the triangle. Now here let P be the perpendicular from vertex A on the side BC. Just now we have seen the figure. Here then area of the triangle is equal to, we know that if the perpendicular is given, base is given, then we can apply the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. So here area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Here base is BC and height is P. So area of triangle we know, that is we have calculated just now, that is 30. So 30 is equal to 1/2 into BC into P, and now 30 is equal to 1/2 into 13 into P. Then we can transform 2 and 13. We will get 13 into 2 divided by 13 is equal to P, and therefore P is equal to 60 upon 13 meter we can write here. In this way, we have find the length of the perpendicular. First of all, we have to find the area of the triangle by applying the Hero's formula. In this way, we can find the area of the triangle if the sides of the triangle are given.